Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do 3 feel-good rolls. They're all similar, but they're different enough to not be that similar at all. All right, so here's what I'm talking about. The first roll, these are all lower body rolls from the back, okay? So the first roll, we're gonna reach across our body really far, so it's an exaggerated reach. So I'm gonna take my big toe, and I'm reaching for you at the camera, and I'm just reaching, and that pulls you over. And then from here, we're gonna go back upper body. So we're just gonna reverse it really. So again, this is the exaggerated lower body roll, reaching towards you, and then just coming back upper body. Now another way to do that is much shorter, and it's like a spiral roll. So instead of reaching towards you, I'm gonna pick my leg up and reach across, but I'm gonna drive or reach that way with my leg. And that reaching that way, unravels me or spirals me over. And then just come back. So this way is pick the leg up, and instead of reaching towards you, I'm driving that way, and it spirals me over. The 2 rolls, while they're both lower body segmental rolls, they feel very different because the reach is, well, it's quite different. All right, that's roll number 2. Roll number 3, and this is why I have my flip-flops on, because I'm on the turf. It's so exfoliating, I don't want to be bleeding. So instead of going over, there's a fly here in case you can see him. Instead of going over and reaching that way or this way, I'm gonna go under. So I'm gonna pick this leg up, and I'm gonna take my left leg and reach towards you. Reach, and it rolls me that way. And then to come back, you just slide back over. So it's reaching under, which feels pretty wild actually. It's a good feeling roll. And then you come back. And then so to do it with the other leg, so you gotta have a slight bend in the leg so you can thread the needle, so to speak, with your leg. And you just reach, and come over. And then you come back again, you reach, and that reach under eventually rolls your body over. And it feels pretty daggone good. And then to come back, you can unthread or whatever you need to come back. Anyway, those 3 rolls are great lower body segmental rolls. You got your big giant exaggerated reach. You got your over and push down reach. And then you've got your thread the needle reach. And I'm sorry to look so awkward, but I was trying to hold my microphone. All right, guys, give that a shot. 3 fantastic, similar but different lower body segmental rolls. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.